In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Canva design as a PDF. This is a really useful skill if you're creating things like resumes, posters, presentations, worksheets, or anything you need to print or share in a clean, professional format. I'll walk you through each click slowly, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel completely natural. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and that your design is open on the screen. It doesn't matter whether you're using a browser on your computer or the Canva desktop app. The layout is basically the same, and the buttons we'll use are in the same area. Look towards the top right corner of the Canva editor. You should see a button labeled Share. This is where Canva keeps all the options for exporting and sending your design. Go ahead and click on Share. Even though it says Share, this is also where you'll find the download tools. When the Share menu opens, a panel will slide out with several options. From here, look for the option that says Download. It usually has a small download icon next to it, like a downward arrow. Click on Download to open up the download settings for your design. Now you'll see a section called File Type. This is where you choose the format you want to save your design in, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Click on the box or drop down that shows the current file type. A list of different format options will appear. From that list, select PDF. Depending on your Canva version, you might see options like PDF Standard or PDF Print. If you're sharing your file online or by email, PDF Standard is usually enough. If you're sending it to a professional printer and want higher quality, choose PDF Print. For this tutorial, simply choose the PDF option that appears for you. After you've selected PDF as the file type, you may see a few extra options, like selecting specific pages from a multi-page design. If you want the entire design, you can leave everything as it is. If you only want certain pages, adjust that before continuing. Once everything looks good, click on the main download button.